If you don't have a drill press, but you need to drill holes that are straight and as perfect as possible, then you might want to consider using one of these. I was left scratching my head when I needed to drill 23 1-inch by 3-inch holes in my workbench. They needed to be straight, they needed to be clean, and they couldn't be canted in either direction. After finding the perfect drill bit, which is absolutely key, I thought I'd give this thing a try. Now there's one main problem with this thing that needs to be fixed before you can use it, and that is this. It's very unstable, but that's an easy fix. All you have to do is build a simple base for it. All I did was take a piece of scrap plywood. In this case it was about 9 by 13. I cut a 3-inch hole in it. Then I put 4 screws through the drill guide base into the plywood. Now that this thing's not tipsy, it's ready to be used. As a bonus, the other thing that this new base gives us is the ability to attach new guides. For example, when needing to drill multiple holes in a row, like for my bench, simply attach a cleat with strong clamps or screws at the proper distance, which then allows the drill guide to sit at a fixed distance away from the edge, making it very easy to make multiple holes that all line up perfectly. To use the drill guide, simply attach a drill, get the bit up to full speed before lowering it into the material. And remember, let the bit do the work, never forcing or putting extra strain on the bit or the drill guide. Now by no means are these guides foolproof. Most of them are kind of flimsy and not built that well, but they do work, and they work much better than trying to freehand all of these holes. Also, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about this bit that I used, I'll leave a link up here and down in the notes section of a video I did talking all about that bit. If this video has been helpful for you, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, of course, if you're not already. And until we see each other again, be well and stay safe.